So all you need for this painting is, I have burnt umber, and I have cad red, and I have cad yellow, and I have titanium white, and I also have some ultramarine blue. This one's Windsor blue, but ultramarine blue is much better. So, and I also have some nice brushes for you to use, and this will make your painting a lot simpler. So the brushes you need for this painting are some Bristle brushes. It's always nice to have Bristle brushes on hand. And then we have palette knife. We'll have palette knives on hand. And we will have flat synthetic chiseled edge brushes. So have some nice liner brushes around. There we go. And they can be liner brushes, longer, you know, shorter. Have, like I said, 3 different sizes and you're set. And also with your, you can have a Filbert brush. And if you have all these brushes on hand, you can do any painting, okay? And if you have to add or take away and you don't use the brush that you got out, they're always there in case you need them. And same with the fan brush. Have 3 different sizes of fan brushes. So that's about it for this painting. But if we need to add more, just have those brushes on hand and you'll be all set. There we go. Good, 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 good. It's not going to do any harm. You can bounce around, see? And that'll give you some nice, texture and that nice light. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. That's what makes a difference, the lighting and where the light comes in and things like that. It's just so beautiful. Like mixing colors, you know? See what it does to it? Look at that. Isn't that nice? Yeah, look at that too, because that light is coming right in here, you know? And you have to show that in your painting. Just tapping so I get all these little dots of color. Right? A little bit more. Let's get some of these strands of grass coming up here. A comment, let me know what you thought of this painting, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye from Allison Pryor.